Today I made some really good fried vegetables. Let me show you what I did. You can really use whatever vegetables you want, but I used some squash, some green peppers, an onion, a potato, and some carrots, and also some garlic. Of course, to start out, you're going to want to wash your vegetables. First, let's chop the garlic. Let me show you a neat trick. If you cut off the ends like this, then you can smash it a little bit, and then the skin just peels right off. To get little tiny pieces of garlic, you can cut sideways into the garlic like this, and once you get enough horizontal cuts, be careful, watch your fingers, then you can make the vertical cuts and you'll end up with those small pieces that you want. Now we're going to add some olive oil to a bowl. We just need enough to cover all the vegetables, so that should be enough. And now we'll put the garlic in there. Next we're going to chop up our squash. We'll cut off the ends here, and then we'll chop it up into decently large chunks. And then I'm going to cut them in half again, and we'll add those into the bowl. Then we'll chop up the zucchini, and then we'll cut those in half too, and add those in. Next we'll do the carrots, and the peppers, and the potato, and then when that's chopped up we can throw that in there with everything else, and then chop and add the onions. And now we're just gonna mix around all of this stuff. Add a little bit more oil if you need it. That should be good right there. And then we'll add some salt and some pepper. Okay, maybe a lot of pepper. I like pepper. And then mix that all in really well. Next, we're going to spread out all of the vegetables onto some cookie trays, and since they already have oil, we don't need to add any oil to the pans. And once you have all of them on there, just spread them out really nicely, about like this. Next, we're going to add them into the oven. I have the oven preheated for about 400 degrees. And we're going to put them both in there and leave it for several minutes. And after 5 or 10 minutes, I'm just going to check, make sure that they're not sticking, and we'll put them back in for another 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so the vegetables have been in there for about a total of 15 minutes. We're going to pull them out, and you'll see that the ones on top aren't cooked quite as thoroughly, but that's okay. They're looking a little bit crispy, which is just perfect. So there you have it. Some fried vegetables. These sure are delicious. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it.